Hello guys, how to online PDF reader for free without investment. Okay, let's go. First, open your Chrome browser and search option toolsandpro.com and enter top section visible 100% free based all type tools master project. Okay, click now this option. Top section showing this site and scroll 18 plus PDF tools, 100 plus calculator tools, social media tools, image editing and image tools. Okay, this video option PDF tools. Click now this option. Open this page, scroll and search icon. Okay, any PDF need your requirement. This video PDF reader. Click now this option PDF reader. Okay, choose file, this PDF reader. Okay, and size increase and decrease and plus option and minus option. Okay, size increase and decrease and preview option and next option. Okay, and download option and printing option. Printing option, click now this option. Save a PDF your need and all option and select all old is only. Okay, this option your requirement and portrait and large space. Okay, page per sheet requirement default option and custom option and default option, yeah, custom option. Okay, save option, printing. Okay, this video helpful, please follow my page and subscribe my channel next video and the next tool for free review next day. Okay.